To monitor an Authorize.net webhook setup, you need to understand what webhooks are and how they work with Authorize.net. Webhooks are notifications sent by Authorize.net to your server when a specific event occurs, such as a successful payment or a declined transaction. First, log into your Authorize.net account and navigate to the Webhooks section. Here, you can create a new webhook by specifying the URL that will receive the notifications and selecting the events you want to be notified about. When creating a webhook, you need to provide a URL that can handle HTTP post requests. This URL will receive the webhook notifications from Authorize.net. You can use a tool like Postman or curl to test your webhook URL and ensure it is working correctly. Once your webhook is set up, you can start receiving notifications from Authorize.net. These notifications are sent as JSON payloads and contain information about the event that triggered the notification. You can use this information to update your database, send notifications to your customers, or perform other actions. To monitor your webhook setup, you need to verify that the notifications are being sent correctly and that your server is handling them properly. You can do this by checking the Authorize.net dashboard for any errors or failed deliveries. You should also log the notifications on your server to track any issues and debug your webhook handler. Best practices for monitoring Authorize.net webhooks include using a reliable and scalable server to handle the notifications, implementing error handling and logging to track any issues, and testing your webhook setup regularly to ensure it is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively monitor your Authorize.net webhook setup and ensure that you are receiving the notifications you need to manage your payments and customers.